For the first step, we're going to click on the speaker icon in the bottom right, and then you want to make sure that this is not being muted. So there might be an X next to the speaker, you want to make sure that there's no X and it's like this. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to the audio troubleshooter, you want to click on run. This box will appear and you can click on yes to allow consent to run the automated diagnostics, and then they might fix your problem. For the third method, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on system, and then we're going to click on sound. Make sure where it says choose where to play sound, that your correct one is selected. So in my case, it's my speakers, Logitech headset. After you do that, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and then click on more sound settings. You want to make sure that in the playback tab, that the speakers that you want to use has not been disabled, just like this one right here. You want to make sure that it has a green tick as well, which means that it's on a default device. To make it default device, you want to click on it and then click on set default. And to enable it, you want to right click on it and then make sure that it's enabled. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to expand sound, video and game controllers. Then you want to find your speakers, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best driver is being installed. If that still doesn't work, then you want to right click on your speakers and then click on uninstall device. And then click on uninstall. Once it's been uninstalled, you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And then your device will appear again and then see if that works. If that still doesn't work, then you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description. It's a YouTube video that I made which will show you how to download and update the realtek HD audio driver. Now once you follow all the steps in that short video, you want to restart your computer and then hopefully the problem will be fixed.